Okay, so equilibrium equations is kind of like a teeter-totter because they have to be balanced. So if you alter one side, then the equilibrium is going to shift either left or right to stay balanced. So for example, when you're dealing with concentration, if this is a balanced equation, if you are going to increase the concentration of H2, that would be like this is you're increasing H2, which is on this side. So you increase on this side, and the equation is going to shift this way. So for you it looks like right. Okay, so if you raise H2, the equation will shift right. If you increase the concentration of a product, so if you increase NH3, then this side is going to raise up, and the equation is going to shift left. So that's for concentration, and then for pressure is similar, but it's you shift to the side that has more moles of gas. So if you look at this side, so you have to look, if this was aqueous, you wouldn't be able to count this as a mole of gas. So this has 3 moles of H2 gas and 1 mole of N2 gas. So it has a total of 4 moles of gas. And on this side, there's 2 moles of NH3 gas, and this doesn't get counted because that's just energy. So this side would have 2 moles of gas. So if the question asks if you're going to increase the pressure, it's going to shift. That's just something you have to know, that if you increase pressure, it shifts to the side with more moles of gas. So in this case, increasing pressure, the equilibrium would shift left. And if you decrease pressure, it's just the opposite. So if you decrease pressure, it shifts to the side with the least moles of gas. So in this case, if you decrease the pressure, it would shift right. And then lastly, temperature. So for temperature, you have to know, you have to evaluate which side the energy is on. So it shows here, this has the 92 kilojoules as a product. So that's what you deal with temperature, and you can do the same kind of teeter-totter thing. So if you're increasing temperature, since this is a product, you'd increase it this way and it would shift left. And if you decrease the if you decrease the temperature, that would be this side decreasing and it would shift right.
And that's Le Chatelier's principle.